Welcome back, guys, and then happy new year. So I wish you a very profitable year. So I just want to talk about my first trade for this particular year. It was very nice trade, 1:10, and then my second trade also is like 1:10. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to see this particular trade. And then I did the breakdown of each. Okay, let me just do it this way because I did the breakdown of every single team before it play out, telling you guys what I'm expecting next. But it's just like a multiple clip of which I'm just going to add immediately after this particular introduction, so you guys can watch the video I was analyzing the markets and then expecting price to move. So after that, I'm going to do the full analysis of how I was able to see this particular setup, so you guys can understand my trade strategy. It's very simple. So I'm going to pause this video right now and then add those clips so you guys can watch from the beginning when I analyze the market, and then from my entry when price pick my trade to when price got my take profit. So it's a very nice clip and then nice setup, so make sure you watch it to the end. And then after that, I'm going to do the breakdown of the trade. Yeah, good afternoon everyone. This is my first trade for this particular year, and then you can see that price already going towards my direction. So I enter into the market using this particular order block right here, this order block. So I'm going to create a video on how I was able to see this particular setup so you guys can understand. This is my first trade for this particular year, guys. Let's see how it's going to play out. And then I'm expecting price actually to go above this particular high. You understand? So let me show you guys something. Okay, so you can see me right here. Okay, so this is my entry. This is my order block. This is the order block I make it up. So I'm going to create a video on how I was able to see this particular setup. So next time, if you guys see this setup, you know how to go about it and then how to enter into a trade. So it's a very nice setup, just like what it should take. It's not that much. People that expect the price to go beyond this particular high right here, to go higher, but I just want to take profit right here. This is my first trade for this particular year. So let's just wait and they see how it's going to play out. Okay, so I'm going to create a video about it. And then you can see that price is moving right here. This is a live trade. You can see its time is moving right here. So I'm going to create a video about it, and then I'm just waiting for it to get my take profits and secure that particular this particular trade. So you can see right here, price end up breaking the high. So I'm expecting price to consolidate. So this is the trade right here. Can you see price end up getting to take profits? Okay, so right here, price end up getting to take profits. This is where I said price get to consolidate after breaking this one, before breaking this particular high. Consider the price end up getting above this one. Price push up, can you see, and then refuse to break this one. Price consolidates, price came all the way down, and then later price push up to break this particular high. Can you see? Welcome back, guys. Can see when price pick my trade, also when price gets my take profit, can see all the clips. So I was anticipating for some movement in the market. One thing about trade, just we analyze. After analyzing the market, you're expecting something to happen in the market, and then if that is what happened, then you know that price is obeying what's your trade strategy. So right now I'm going to be doing the breakdown of the trade. So okay, let me go to my chart right now. All right, so this is good, and then you can see I'm on 2 hour time frame. So this was my first trade for this particular year. Can you see this was my first trade, and then this is the second trade right here. I left this particular market just because I want to record this particular video, and the price already getting up. Let me show you guys. Okay, I'll just add the entry where I enter into the market. I'll add it to the screen so you guys can see it. From my entry to my take profits. Let me just go to this 30 minutes. Can you see what price did right now? Can you see what price did? And then I left this particular trade just because of you guys, because I want to record this particular video, and the price already going up. Even though I know that price is going to go above this particular high to take out this particular high, and the price probably going to take out this sort. But I left the market right here, 100% movement. So it's very nice to leave the market 100% movement. So I'm going to talk about this particular entry right here, and this is price got my take profits, 100% movement right here. So it's just like 1:10. The ratio is not that much because this is my post trade. I don't want to lose any trade this year. So actually I'm supposed to move the market, send my take profit right here, but I want to leave the market 100% movement, 100% movement. That is the reason why I said what's my take profit right here. Okay, let me just add something to the screen. There's one of my students also that enter into this particular trade. Then his own take profit is right here. But I told that I want to leave the market 100% movement, just to secure my trade, just to secure my profit, because this is my first trade for this year. So you can see the chart right here, and then you can just read what I wrote there. So that's just for that. This way I enter into the market. This way I enter into the market from this particular order block. how did I know that this order block right here is what a reorder block? So let me start the analysis from like let's go to like 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so the first signal, like you get your buyers from higher time frame. My student got our own buyers from higher time frame, and then he was able to, like, to see that price is going to like to take this particular high, go above this particular high. If I have to like to use 4-hour time frame, this is where I'm going to lead the market. I'm not going to lie, this is where I'm going to lead the market. If I want to hold this particular trade, this is where I'm going to leave, because on 4-hour time frame, you can see that price end up breaking this particular low right here. Can you see? Then the price is going to break this particular high and then react in this particular area. So this particular bearish trade, I entered into this particular bearish trade, but I didn't hold the trade for a very long time, just like the short-term trade, and then I left the market. So that's just for that. I've added to the screen so you guys can see it. So you can see that price end up breaking this particular low, and the price goes to take out this particular high, and the price can probably react in this particular area before go out on a bullish direction. You understand? So that is the reason why price came all the way down right here. Okay, so let's discuss about this particular trade, right here. So right here you can see that price end up coming all the way down, go below this particular low. Then okay, let's check on daily time frame. Let's start from daily time frame. So from daily time frame right now, you can see we are not having much information right here. Can you see? So let's go to like 4-hour time frame. Okay, on 4-hour time frame, price came all the way down. Can you see? And then I've taught you guys on the power of the first time frame. So I had to make use of the power of the first time frame, just like to find opportunity to enter into the market right here. So I started inside this particular moment, this particular ring, from this particular high to this particular low, just like to find opportunity to enter into the market. And then I moved down to lower time frame to find the first high. Okay, so this 3-hour time frame, it's remained the same thing. Can you see? Price remained the same thing. We are looking for what? The first opposite candle right here. Then let's check on 2-hour time frame. Okay, so on 2-hour time frame right now, you can see from this particular high to this particular low, all the candle you are seeing is what? A bearish candle. All the candle remain what? The same. We are looking for the first time frame that is showing us what? The opposite candle. So let's check our 1-hour time frame. This 2-hour, then move down to 1-hour time frame. So this is our 1-hour time frame right here. Can you see this 1-hour time frame? And then if you check the markets, consider that we have what? An opposite candle right here. Can you see this is an opposite candle? And the price end up breaking this particular opposite candle. Make use of the 4 different way or not identify a reorder block. I've taught you guys about that. And then okay, on my YouTube page, I taught you guys 2 ways on how to identify a reorder block. You understand? Even though we have like 4 different ways. So I end up giving like 2 different ways on how to identify a reorder block in the market. And if you don't understand, you can watch some of my videos just like to understand it. So right here, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high. So price is not going to respect this particular order block. You can see the order block responding for breaking this particular high right here. This order block right here. So price is not going to respect it. Price is going to respect the order block below it. Can you see? This is the order block below it right here. Can you see? This is the order block below it right here. So I have to like to go down to lower time frame, just like to increase what my risk to ratio. But I don't go down to like a 1-minute time frame, just because this is my first trade. And that's one that the market's already giving like 1:10. I'm fine. So that's just for that. Then from 1-hour time frame, I'm moving down to like a 45-minute time frame. Okay, on 45 minutes time frame right now, can you see the market? This is the order block right here. This is the order block, and then you can see that price end up breaking this high. This is the first. Let me delete this. Okay, this is the first. Let me delete this. Okay, and then this is what the second high. Price end up breaking like 2 high right here. This particular movement, this particular order block right here, end up breaking like 2 high. Can you see it end up breaking 2 high? So you have to, like, to adjust what's my order block right here. Can you see? Let me delete my entry so you guys can understand what I'm saying. Okay. So this is not the reorder block. Price end up breaking this particular high and also this particular high right here. Move down to like 30 minutes time frame. Okay. So move down to like 30 minutes time frame. The order block remain what? The same thing. Can you see we do not have like any changes right here? We don't have any changes right here. So let's check 20 minutes time frame. Okay. So you're just going to leave the order block the same way it is. So checking 30 minutes time frame. So on 20 minutes time frame right now, you can see this particular order block right here. Can you see this particular order block? Can you see? Can you see this particular order block right here? It's still our reorder block. So we are yet to like to adjust the order block. So let's check on 15 minutes time frame. So I think I make use of what 15 minutes time frame from this particular entry. Let's just check on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So this 15 minutes time frame right here. Okay. Can you see the price end up breaking this particular high? price broke this high, and the price ended up breaking this high too. Can you see? Making this particular order block right here as what a real order block. So I would like to adjust what my order block to size this particular order block right here. Can you see? So this is the order block I make use of for my first trade. So price ended up breaking this particular high and also this high, making this particular order block right here as what a real order block. Then I enter into the market directly. Okay. So I set my entry right here. And then my take profit was 100% movement. My take profit was 100% movements right here. So this is what I said was my take profit 100% movements right here. The price goes to go above here, and then price end up doing that. Can you see? Price end up going go like 1:10. It's not 1:13. It was 1:10. Can you see? It was 1. But this is showing 1:13 right here. But the trade was 1:10. So that's just for that. This I was able to see my first trade for this particular year. So I said something in that particular clip. I said I was expecting price to consolidate in this particular area before getting to my take profit. I think it was on 5 minutes time frame. Let me show 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it was on 5 minutes time frame. I said if price end up breaking this particular high, okay, this high right here. So price go to consolidate before breaking the next high. This next high right here. I said that in the clip. So it's just like you understanding the market, and then you'll be able to predict what you're expecting price to do next. So that's just for that. And then for my second entry, it's very easy and very simple. Wow, price really move. I closed this particular trade right here just because I want to create this video. Man, price really move. That is very nice, but it's okay for you to close your trade 100% movement. The most important thing is just you secure your trade, you secure your profits. You understand? So I just closed the market right here, and then just because I want to create a video about it. So that's just for that. So I was able to see this particular setup. Okay, price came all the way down. Okay, price came all the way down right here. Can you see? Price came all the way down, and the price is pushing up. So from this particular low to this particular high, price not break anything at the far left side, and the price has ended up achieving the purpose of coming all the way down. Price end up achieving the purpose. Can you see? Price end up going below this particular low, so you'll be expecting price to start going on a bullish direction back. You can see this particular area too. This particular area, the reason why I enter into this particular bullish trade is just because price has ended up achieving the purpose by taking out this particular low. So always wait for price to take overall liquidity. If I go to higher time frame, you see this particular liquidity right here. So price end up taking out this particular liquidity, then I can find opportunity just to enter into the market. The same thing up right here. Indicator price end up taking out this particular liquidity right here. This liquidity. Then I move down to lower time frame just to analyze the market to find opportunity just to buy the trade. And then if you check on 1 minute time frame, you are going to see that there's no opportunity right here. Indicator price end up breaking this particular low. Price broke it and the price push up. Price not break anything right here, and this 1 minute time frame. Price not break anything right here, then you'll be expecting price to still continue going on a bearish direction, of which that is what up right here. And then moving down to let's start from 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So from 15 minutes time frame right now, using the power of the first time frame, we also to study inside this particular range from this particular high to this particular low. From this high right here to this particular low. Then check a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, on 5 minutes time frame, can you see the range very well? From this particular high to this particular low. Then from this particular low right here, let me delete this line. Let me delete this. From this particular low right here to this particular high, price not breaking it at the far left side. So you are going to be expecting price to take out this particular low as what? A liquidity. This one right here. A liquidity. This right here. Because from this particular low to this particular high, price not break anything. I've told you guys that it is difficult for price to break two levels in the market at the same time. So once price end up breaking one level, price is going to react. You understand? So that is the reason I enter into this particular trade right here. So I enter into the market from this particular order block right here. Just load. There's no you can see the order block clearly, but you understand the reason why price is behaving or doing what it's doing in the market. After price end up taking out this particular liquidity, you know that price go to react and they start going on a bullish direction. Even though we have a very nice trade, and then alert very early, but it's fine though. And then this particular trade too, alert very early. Can you see after that price really move times 2. Let me check the overall ratio that price end up giving, because you expect the price to take out this particular high. Can you see this 1:32? 1:32, but I end up closing around 1:10. So that is just for that. And then you can see this one too. This one that I just left right now is 1:9. It's not up to 1:10. 1:9. Let me check. Okay. Can you see? This 1:9. Can you see? And then if that I left this one, I'm going to see 1:32. but I left the market early just like to secure my trade. And then this is my post trade for this particular year. So I have to like to first secure my profits. And then right here too, can you see this 1:9? If that I left this particular trade to run, I might close the market right here. This 1:16. Let me check here. This 1:23. Imagine that. So it's a very nice trade. So that's just for that. So if you're watching this video for the first time, I really appreciate it if you can like this video and then subscribe. And also if you want to join my mentorship program, this is a new year, you can step up your game by learning new things, you understand? You can join my mentorship program. I'm going to drop the link in the description. So if you want to join, just check out the link as I join my mentorship program. So see you guys in my next video.